Hello guys, welcome to What I Plant. This is my Dwarf Jade. It's approx 17 years old and I bought it from Nursery at 2000 Indian rupees. In today's video, I'm gonna do some major pruning and I'm gonna repot and defoliate this tree. I'm gonna explain all the process that I'm going to do to make it a bonsai. Watch the entire video because I'm also doing giveaway in this video. Do not skip any part, watch it till the end so you get information about the giveaway and win something special today. It's been 1.5 years since it's with me, and when I bought it from Nursery, I repotted into this pot with the bonsai soil. I chose this bigger pot because I wanted the growth to be faster. So this is a very normal formula that you give a bigger space for the roots to grow, so the growth of the plant is very good. So let's get started and let me prune this extra long overgrown branches so we can have clarity at the trunk and the inner main branches. Let's do it. I'm gonna do time lapse so you can see it quickly and you can see the process also. After pruning those long branches, now it's better. We can see the trunk line, we can see the main branches. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take it out of a pot, I'm gonna prune some roots and put it back with the new bonsai soil. But I'm not gonna change the pot because the size of this pot is really good and I want the tree to grow faster, so the size is very good for that. And let's do it and let's see how the roots happen in this bonsai soil and in this pot. So let's do it. Look at the roots, they grew so good. That's why I say the bonsai soil is very important, and this bonsai soil I made it myself. In India it's not very easy to get that bonsai soil, so what I do is I make my own bonsai soil from the material that's easily available in India. And you can also make it because I made it a video on how to make a bonsai soil in India, and I'll put a video link in description box and on the right top corner in I button, so you can watch it and make it yourself. Now let's prune the roots so the roots get a chance to grow again and result in better and faster growth of our tree. Let's do it. Alright guys, so again the bonsai is in the pot with new soil and we prune the roots and we prune the extra long branches, and now I decided something. I was thinking that should I make a small bonsai, should I make a big bonsai out of it, and I decided that I'm gonna go with a small size because the trunk is very thick and it's gonna look very good, and I have a love for small bonsai. So I'm gonna cut the top and I'm gonna reduce the height so it can be a small bonsai. And also one thing that I'm not gonna prune so much right now, I'm gonna let it grow for a few months and then again I'm gonna think and decide the branches and I'm gonna prune and give it a final shape, and then I will let it grow. So in few months I'm gonna do it. So for now I'm gonna keep it like this only. I'm not doing much, I'm just thinking and giving it time to decide how it should be, and you should always do that. You should not be like, okay, this is the plant and I'm gonna prune it right away. Give it a time, understand the tree, understand the look, how you want in future. So yeah, so this is how it is after a few months. The growth has been phenomenal. If you see any branch closely, it's full of leaves and it looks really good and shows us the roots have been growing very well. while I remove some extra growth, let me tell you that I have decided that how I'm gonna go further with this tree. I'm gonna do some major pruning today. I'm gonna cut some main branches because it's not adding up to a tree look. It's more giving a look of a plant, and that's not what I want. And I will tell you that why I'm removing and which branch I'm gonna remove. Let me show you. Alright guys, so this is our bonsai now, and if you look at these top branches, don't you think they are too thick for a branch at that level? Like a plant look like a tree, like you can make a bonsai out of a plant which has a thick trunk but thin branches well distributed with the foliage, and there is a structure of the branches that you can see, and you can make a beautiful bonsai like that. But in this scenario there is a thick trunk and thick branches. It doesn't become a good bonsai like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this thick branches so I can regenerate the branches from the trunk, and I can manipulate these branches and give it a better bonsai look. So let me cut these branches and show you how it looks. Not only I'm gonna cut the thick branches, I'm also gonna defoliate this tree. You know, once I remove all the leaves from this tree, there will be the energy trying to come out, and then it will result in new branches, like new growth gonna come out of the trunk, and then I can make branches out of them. And I will be able to manipulate because it's a new branches, and I will be able to give it a better shape. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna remove all the thick branches which is not adding up to a tree look, and I'm gonna remove all the leaves to boost the growth of a tree. So let's do it. Okay guys, so it's done now. I have cut it off all the thick branches and removed all the leaves. Soon there will be new growth which will become the branches of this tree. I know guys, it's not looking its best right now, but trust me, it will be a beautiful bonsai in future. You know, we should not be like sometimes when we prune or wire and then we be like it should look perfect bonsai after doing this. No, it doesn't happen like that. It takes a lot of time. It takes even years to become that fine looking bonsai. So we should always have a future picture in our mind that how our tree should be, and we should do everything according to it. So this is it guys. In today's video I showed you how I bought the nursery plant and I'm making it into a bonsai. This is the very first video of this particular plant, and I'm gonna update you with the future videos also. So you need to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update on this tree and other trees also. And also share it with your friends. If you like this video, hit the like button. Guys, I'm doing a giveaway in this video. I got some cutting from this bonsai which I'm gonna give it to you free of cost. To participate in this giveaway, you need to do a few things. You need to comment down below what you love most about this particular bonsai, and you need to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and hit the bell icon. Also, you need to follow me on Instagram. Once you do all these things, you will be eligible for the giveaway, and in 5 days I'm gonna announce the winner. Also, you need to make sure that you live in India because this giveaway is only for India. So go ahead and participate and get a chance to win this cutting so you can make bonsai out of these.